Chaos and Bossy, you know what I'm saying? Just picked up all the dog shit up in there. See, they got fresh water. Stay with wood chips. See, it was raining out here, you know what I'm saying? Healthy, happy dogs. Look how good they coat look. So you know I take care of my dogs. They ain't fighting over food. They love each other, you know what I'm saying? He's a year old. She's 3 months, about to be 4 months. Good boy, good girl. You know what I'm saying? Smoking the cancer stick. See what's going on, dog.